In order to activate the focus mode on iPhone 16e, we need to go to the control center. So on the right side of the phone, swipe towards the bottom from the top of the screen. And then over here you should be able to find focus. At least by default, you might have repositioned it somewhere else. But here is the focus, and you have two options. You can tap on the focus text in order to find all different focus modes, including the not disturb mode. And you can tap on these focus modes in order to turn them on or off. You can tap on these three dots in order to find more options. In some cases, you can enable these modes for a specific period of time. And you can also jump to settings. And on the other hand, if you have the icon of the focus mode over here on the left side, for example, right now I have this sleep mode, I can tap on the icon instead in order to immediately activate the sleep mode. This is the most recent focus mode that was activated the last time, the most recent one. And this allows us to quickly enable the focus mode like that as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!